What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new vlog. I kind of got started a little late. I had a full day yesterday, so we slept in a little bit, but still early though. It's about, I think, like 9:30 in the morning. So we're gonna go to a different beach today, just to experience it. We're gonna go to Makena Beach, also known as the Big Beach, and explore that beach, go in the water and play with the kids. So if you guys have not subscribed, subscribe, and then follow our adventure in Hawaii, and I will see you guys later.
I don't wanna be alone. Spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on.
Alright, we just got to Makena State Beach. The main parking lot did not have any parking spaces, so we just parked on the side of the street here. And then we're just gonna do a little trekking, hiking, go to the beach, which is just right there close by. So I'll see you guys there. Here we are. Welcome to Makena Beach, also known as the Big Beach. It's nice and fresh here. It's fresh. It's not hot. We got a little spot here. Guys might be wondering why I am always wearing long sleeves under the sun or at the beach. I cannot wear sunscreen. I am allergic to sunscreen. If I do wear it, I'll start breaking out, so I gotta protect myself somehow. So one way is a breathable long sleeves with a hood on. So that's how we do it. And one thing that I noticed about this beach is just you got this white this sand, and then it will just drop off. So I don't know if it's the best beach for kids. I would not recommend it. The surf is pretty wild and dangerous, and they recommend they're about 6 feet tall, and maybe went out maybe like 10-15 feet away from the shore. The water goes up to his neck, so I would not recommend it unless you're a good swimmer. Even if you are, I wouldn't recommend it.
I don't wanna be alone. Spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give.
Whew. I am just loving the colors of the ocean right now. The water is so nice. So let's go see what Air Manok can see. So let's fly him up. Let's go, Manok. Go!
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
I had to bring Air Manok down, calm him down because it was too windy. It was I could not even, it was gonna land in the water, so I just brought him down. But hopefully we got some good footage. But from down here it's really nice, even like the plants behind me, it's really nice and green. I'm loving the color. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but the surf is getting a little dangerous. Waves just crashing in the shore like crazy, and it's getting a little windy, and there's like pebbles to sand. Ow, 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 hitting me on my legs and a little bit of my face. Woo! We just spotted a big sea turtle.
So we just got done at Makena Beach. It's a really nice beach. The waters are all different color blues. You've got that pretty turquoise and the dark blues. We saw quite a few turtles actually towards the end. A really big turtle, and we saw a couple little turtles. They poked their head out at us. I'd say as far as a nice beach to go to, I mean, it's very pretty. We did go a little farther than the two entrances though of the state park. There's some cool trees and things. If you don't like to be out in the sun the whole time, you can hang out under there for some shade. But the only problem though with having small kids is that in that area it did go down pretty steep towards the water. So it's a little hard for them to play in. So if you have little kids, we'd recommend just going into one of the main entrances. It seemed like the beach was a little more flat on that side, and that's also where the lifeguards hang out. But otherwise it was really nice, and where we were also there was a lot of rocks kind of in the corner, and so you could hang out in there, and kind of like little tide pools that look like. And there's also a cave, I think, that Mark took the kids to, so that was cool to check out on that side. But anyway, had a good time, got some sun in. That was my main goal. I wanted a suntan. But yeah, a nice beach to visit, very pretty.
So we are just driving back home. We're gonna go get something to eat. Again, it's a late lunch. We had a good time. If you guys have not subscribed, please do give us a thumbs up so you can follow our adventures, and I will see you guys on the next one.
Yeah.